I'm going on a long journey to the sea on a bicycle, by oneself, so we do a reset on the speedometer. 0.0. Let's go.
Hello.
Hello, friend. Are you home?
Hello, yes. Where are you?
Okay, then go outside. Come on, tell me why you didn't come with me.
No, Nikita, I don't need it.
No need?
I didn't have time to come up with a good speech.
Well then, okay. So, this great idea came to my mind 2 years ago. And so, I decided to implement it. I assembled a team, consisting of 5 people, but they all refused to go with me at the last moment. That's why I decided to go alone. Yes?
Yeah.
But I'm a criminal guy, you know why. Thus, breaking the most important rule of all tourists. In short, you can't travel alone. Oh, the sign wishes us a happy journey. It is extremely difficult to travel with such a backpack on the trunk. The bike falls to one side because of this, and then does not want to get up. After driving 20 kilometers, I decided to take a short break. Here, look at this. This is what our bike looks like. Backpack, 19-gallon water, tent, pump. You have no idea how much I hate going uphill on a bike. Let's go on foot. I am very tired. I deliberately wanted to go at night so that it would not be so hot. But I did not take into account that it is cold at night, so I'm already slowly starting to freeze. To be honest, I thought there would be fewer cars driving at night. Well, I was wrong. Things are bad. My legs are cramping. How to explain these? The most basic muscles are cramping, and still a long way to go. It's good that the moon is shining, guys. There is another problem. I drove probably about 50 kilometers, and I had a problem. The speedometer broke down, or rather reset completely. It completely reset to 0. The battery jumped out of it very at the wrong time. All right. Let's go further. The time is 0:40 at night. Yeah, as you can see, and I'm preparing to eat. Here's our tent. Beautiful, the whole curve, slanting, but it stands. Let's go inside. I will sleep in a tent. And a bicycle and a backpack will sleep in the tent with me. It will be fun. Good night to you, friends. And now dawn. We must go further. Well, that's all. Now I can safely go further. Friends, things are getting really bad. For some reason, 5 spokes broke on my rear wheel. Do you know what is the most interesting? At what point? Why did they break? I have no idea at all. But they have broken. 5 pieces on one side. All broken on one side. Like this. The broken spokes made the wheel look like a figure 8. Because of this, I had to abandon the rear brake. That's horrible. I already regret a little bit, or maybe not a little, that I decided to ride a bicycle to the lake. The front wheel is punctured. The spokes are falling out of the rear. The speedometer doesn't work. Almost. The sun is hot. The asphalt is hot. There is no shade around. There is no shade at all. Water. Here's the water. That's how much is left. It's almost over. Just a couple of sips. Into the nearest settlement where it will be possible to draw water, find a shade, and have a little rest. About 10 kilometers. I arrived here. Arrived at this beautiful place, to the settlement, which is called Matai. And then the road goes downhill, which makes me very, very happy. Finally, a shade, under the bridge, in a river. There's a river. Friends, I have a bad news. Again bad. It would seem that everything is fine. I only have 50 kilometers to my destination. But this comrade, this bicycle, if you can still call it that, refuses to work. And all due to the fact the rear wheel could not withstand the load, and the 7 spokes on the side of the sprocket decided that they were tired, so they broke. It is impossible to continue riding this bike, because when the pedal is turned, the wheel begins to rub against the frame and slows down itself. Now I urgently need to figure out what to do next. That's how it all goes. I could not have expected such an unpleasant turn of events from this trip.
Hello.
Hello, Sasha. Hi.
Hello. Are you at the lake?
Absolutely not.
Oh my God.
In short,
You upset me.
it's not me that's upsetting you. It's my bike that's upsetting you. The rear wheel is completely gone.
Completely the end of it?
Quite the end. There are 7. What?
Come for you?
Come on. In short, come on. Come to my house tomorrow. Take this wheel and bring it here for me. I will continue on my way, okay?
What?
Come on. Well, do I need to get there somehow, or am I only walking 50 kilometers?
Hardcore. Full hardcore.
Yeah, hardcore. Okay, in short, I'll probably go to bed now.
Come on, sleep. We'll decide what to do in the morning.
Okay, bye. As I said before, I have 50 kilometers to the end point. And I decided to make some calculations. As far as I know, the average walking speed of the average person is 6 kilometers per hour. It turns out that if I go out now, it will take me more than 8 hours. That is, if I go on foot all night, pushing a bicycle. Then by morning I will reach Lake Balkash. I'm on foot. In this situation, the bike is not subject to repair. It fell. I'm moving on. It's hard to go, but for the sake of the goal, I'm ready to move. To get to our ball cache. We have 10 hours left. Walk at a speed of 6 kilometers, 5 to 6 kilometers per hour. I walked 35 kilometers. Spent the night. And I still have 20 kilometers to the end point. Today I will definitely get there. Hello.
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 Good morning. Oh, what a cheerful voice you have.
Well, because I slept for 3 hours.
Have you reached Balkash yet?
No,
Not yet.
not yet. Tell a joke?
Let's.
I tried very hard. I pedaled so hard that all the spokes came out of my rear wheel. Well, not all of them, but they did. Half of it is definitely left.
Well, that's what you told me yesterday.
All right. I go on foot from Matai.
From Matai?
Yes, I am walking from Matai to Balkash, Lipsy past.
Wow, and you drag a bike on you?
Yeah. Yes.
So you could just leave it under the bridge.
No, I'm not a fool.
Going on foot with a bike is not a fool.
Well, okay, but there will be something to tell the grandchildren.
How about back?
How back? I'll come up with something again.
And do you have any food?
Food? Well, I ate yesterday afternoon.
Did you eat yesterday afternoon? Are you not going to eat for a week now?
Now I'll get to Balkash. I'll have a snack. Yes, I think 2 to 3 hours on foot. With the scorching sun on hot asphalt. With a bicycle at the ready.
Okay, enough talking. I'm already starting to envy you.
Are you starting to envy? Okay,
Because I'm sitting here at home, drinking coffee with a sandwich.
but I called you with me.
And you get to enjoy life there.
So, here it is, Balkash. There, it appears. I have almost arrived. Another 10 kilometers. And I will swim. Yes, I'm moving on. I got, or rather, came with my feet to Balkash. Here it is. Beautiful. So, let's sum up the results of my bike trip. On the way, my speedometer broke. I punctured 4 chambers, some even in 2 to 3 places. The spokes fell out of the rear wheel. But nevertheless, I got to Balkash and took a dip in it. Now I'm lying, resting, sunbathing, and waiting for my friend to bring me a spare tire by car. Do you want to see what's up with my wheel?
Come on, show it.
Tilt the bike.
I already see.
Wait, hold on. Do you see what I've fallen into? I knitted the spokes with wire.
How many spokes did you lose? First, the second, third.
4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6, 6 spokes?
I counted 7.
Here's the 7th one.
There are no 7 spokes.
How did you do this?
So, here are our Chip and Dale, who rush to the rescue. This is the lifeguard. When there is no strength, when there is no one to rely on, when Nikita's rear wheel fell off. Almost fell off. They came and decided to take me home by car.
Maybe just throw it out here? Nikita.
What?
Are you filming there?
Yes.
Эвакуировали.